There, let's learn the final ya together in this class. When you pronounce the final ya, make the e sound, then quickly switch to the a, ya. When ya becomes a syllable by itself, it should be written as ya with the same pronunciation.
Ya, ya, ya.
Let's try some of the words with the final ya. 下雨，下雨。鸭子，鸭子。That's all for the final ya. Let's learn the final ya together. Pronounce e first, then pronounce a quickly without gap. Ya. When ya becomes a syllable by itself, it should be written as ya with the same pronunciation.
Ye, ye, ye.
Let's try some of the words with the final ya. 姐姐，姐姐。写字，写字。That's all for the final ya. Let's learn the final ya together in this class. Make the e sound, then quickly switch to the ow, yow. When yow becomes a syllable by itself, it should be written as yow with the same pronunciation.
腰，腰，腰。
Let's try some of the words with the final yow. 漂亮，漂亮。学校，学校。That's all for the final yow. Let's learn the final u. When you pronounce the final u, make the e sound, then quickly switch to o, u. If u is added after an initial, it should be written as u. When u becomes a syllable by itself, it should be written like this and pronounced yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
Let's try some of the words with the final u. 休息，休息。足球，足球。That's all for the final u.
Let's learn the final yan together in this class. Make the e sound, then quickly slide to the an. Spread the lips to both sides. The shape of mouth is smaller than an, and put your fingers on the nose to feel the vibration. Yan. When yan becomes a syllable by itself, it should be written as yan with the same pronunciation.
Yan, yan, yan.
Let's try some of the words with the final yan. 面条，面条。燕子，燕子。That's all for the final yan. Did you get it?